I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. You know what I'm saying? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Cherokee Driver here, back with another point of view video. I enjoy doing the point of view videos, so we can see all the cool stuff. We can try and spot cool cars, plus have some nice driving footage, you know? So, I'm making a trip to Goodwill today. What's up with that Jeep on the right? Got the greenness underneath it. You see that greenness? I think that Chrysler 300 might have broke down right there. Dude's on his phone out there. Remind me not to go that way. Yo, it's popping at Rita's. People lined up for days out there. I seen a 350Z with mismatched wheels yesterday. There's another one. That's a different one though. The other one was red. You wouldn't believe the number of people out here honking as if there's something that this car can do about being stuck there. Someone pulled up right behind him and honked at him. His flashers are on. You can clearly see his flashers. But yeah, apparently they thought he could move or something. Yo. There's a Kia Forte with a big wang. Oh boy, get it. Oh, it's so beautiful outside today. Wonder how many more hours of daylight there are. I just bought a bunch of golf tees. Yeah, I might just go golfing. Probably not. I'll probably more than likely go home and cook a nice meal and relax. Take a break after all the overtime I've been working, you know. Send it, boys. We don't do that stop at yellow light stuff. We don't do that. One time I heard that a yellow light used to mean slow down, it's going to turn red. But now it means speed up, it's going to turn red. I think the most exciting thing of the day is the 300 broke down in the middle of the road. So it's probably about time that I go cook myself a bacon cheddar burger